Viewers all over the world, I remain your humble mathematician, Godwin Honor, otherwise known as GOMS, Godwin Honor Mathematics Solution. Okay, let's consider the next episode, which is episode 21. It says, for what value of h is the expression 4x squared minus 8s plus h a perfect s squared? It says, for what value of h is the expression 4x squared minus 8s plus h a perfect square? Okay, so this question is from quadratic. This question is from quadratic, and quadratic is from the topic known as algebra. This is a quadratic question in which we are asked to find a value that could make the expression a perfect square. The value here will be h. So when a question like this is given, so without waste of time, so we start in this manner. It's very easy. So we can resolve this using different methods. But I want to use a method I call maximum or minimum value method. So applying maximum. This is maximum or minimum value method. Applying what? Maximum or minimum value method. And that is 4ac minus b squared all over 4a plus h equals 0. So this is the formula. This is the formula for maximum or minimum value method, okay, that we shall be using, or that we shall use. So you say, supposing form s squared minus 8s plus 1, 0 equals as squared c equals 4s squared minus 8s plus what? H. Okay, so see what we have just done. It says supposing 4s squared minus 8s plus 0 equals as squared plus bs plus c. This is the general quadratic equation or format. So you are comparing this with this. You are comparing this with this. So you compare their what? Their corresponding what terms here. Yeah, you are comparing you want to compare the coefficient of this and this. So meaning that our a will be 4, our b will be minus 8, and our c will be what? 0. So your answer at the end of your solution, you will have this. This is how your answer will look like, because it's h you'll be looking for, right? So that does it. Now let's continue. So it means that here our a equals to what? 4. Our b is minus 8, and our c equals 0. So here's this one as the equation what? 1. So you have to substitute the value of a, b, and c into this very equation. So if we are done with this, so let us clean it up. Okay, so let's clean. Okay, so it means, it implies that my a is this, which is a 4, this 4 times a, which is a 4 times c is 0, minus, this is minus, this one is in bracket, the b square is in bracket, and our b is minus what? 8 squared all over 4 times 4. Then this plus h equals 0. So take note, so I can do it here now. Okay? So let's see what it means here. Let's see what it means here. Okay? Let's see what it means here. So from here, let's see. 4 times 4 times 0 will give you 0 here, which implies 0 minus, this minus is there. Look, this is a minus 8 raised to the power of 2. So you discover that it's in bracket. So anything you want to do there, it will not affect this negative. The negative remains negative, this negative. Because whatever you want to do here, this positive integral, which is a 2, you will cancel this one. So automatically you are having a minus 64. Minus 64 all over. Then 4 times 4 will give you 16. Then plus h equals 0. Okay? So which implies, 16 into what? Into 64. Okay, let's say yes. 4 times 6 will give you 24. That is 4. So you are having minus 4 plus 8 equals 0. Then what are you looking for? You are looking for h. Therefore, you have to make h the subject of the formula. And you have to move minus 4 to the other side. And since it preceded by negative here, if it crosses this equality sign, it will change to what? Positive. And in this 4. Therefore now, your h equals to what? Equals to 4. You can now say that your h is equals to 4. Your h is equals to 4. So that is it. Then your final answer now will be in this form. So 4s squared minus 8s plus h equals, it will give you what? It will be 4s squared minus 8s plus what? 4. And that is the answer. So the answer there is what? You discover that it is 4 that what? That must be added or should be added to the expression 4s minus 8s to make it a perfect square. And the 4 is also a perfect square. Why is it a perfect square? Because we know that 2 times 2 will give you 4, and the square root of what? 4 is 2. So 4 is a perfect square. So that is it to this. That is it to this. And I think we have used our maximum or minimum value method to sort out this. We can equally, solve this using another method which I call what? Discriminant method. So we have seen this. So look at it very well. I want to clean everything. Okay? So that is it. So let's apply the alternative method. Applying what? Alternative. Applying what? So applying alternative method. Applying what? Applying alternative. Alternative method. And method. The method we are applying alternative method called what? Discriminant. So applying alternative method called discriminant method. So discriminant method, at least take note of this. You know that the expression is in S. So we have something like S equals to plus or minus b squared b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. This all over 2a. This is a formula method. This is formula what? Method. Formula method, that quadratic formula. So S equals to minus b plus or minus b squared plus b squared minus 4 is 2a. to A. So from here we extract the discriminant. The discriminant here is B squared minus 4AC. That is the discriminant which we have to use, and we have to make it about a factor, you know. So here now we have B squared minus 4AC equals 0. Okay? So here we are to, so in this very method, we have to make C the subject of the formula. So at this point, I have to turn here to C. It means that H here will turn to what? H will turn to the C. Okay, I'll be looking for C. So here we will also say that supposing yes, 4 s squared minus 8s plus C equals to what? 8s squared plus bs plus C. So here now we discover that our A, which implies, so here our A is what? 4. Our B equals to minus 8. And our C, we don't know C. That is what we are looking for now. You understand? So from here, let's see. Turn this to what? We want to make C the subject of the formula. From let's here as equation 1. We want to make C the subject of the formula. So making C the subject of the formula, we now have a thing like this. B squared, then move 4AC to the other side. We will have a 4AC. So which I can equally say 4AC equals to B squared, because I'm looking for C. Okay? Yes. So at this juncture, we can equally, okay, we want to make C the subject of the formula from here. Then you can now say therefore now, C now, then you divide both sides by the coefficient of C, which is 4A. So it will give me B squared all over what? 4A. Okay? About 4A. So take note of what we are doing here. Okay? So C equals to B squared all over 4A equals to, what is our B now? My B is a minus 8, which is minus 8 squared all over, this is a 4 times, my A is 4 also. So automatically we have a what? 64, which is a minus 8 times minus 8 will give you 64 all over, then this is a 16. It's 16. So what implies my C now equals to what? 16 to what? 16 to 64 to give you 4. You cannot say that my C equals to 64. Is it not simple enough? My C equals to 4. My C equals to 4. So automatically, so if you are done looking at it, you can now see that my C equals to 4. So that does it. So you can now come here and also state, that your 4 okay, minus 8 plus C equals what? Equals 4 s minus 8 s plus what? 4. So this is it. This is it. So this is the answer. Okay? So that is it. So viewers all over the world, this is how to sort out or to solve, yes, for a question like this, whereby you are required to look for a value that must be added to an expression to make it a perfect square. I have used the first one, which I call maximum and minimum value method, and I also have used the alternative method I call discriminant method. From what quadratic formula, I extracted out b squared minus 4ac, which serve as my what discriminant. And I have to make it as factor, and you can see what I have just done here. And here, from here, I may see the subject of the relation, because I'm looking for C from this very word method. And at the end of the day, we arrive at our C to be what 4. So it means that the expression, which is 4s squared minus 8s plus C, becomes well 4s squared minus 8s plus 4, because 4 is that value, which should be added to the expression 4s squared minus 8s to make it a perfect square. Thank you once again. I think that this is a full, work, yes, on YouTube. So that does it. Thank you.